I think what I'm trying to understand is, in the current context, how students, community college students in particular, make decisions about majors, careers, and jobs, and also what can institutions do to support these decision-making processes.
Today, community college students are tasked with making very high-stakes decisions about their major and career paths in a very confusing decision-making environment that requires three things. One, navigating a very complex and dynamic labor market. Two, a complex ecosystem of post-secondary credentials. And three, doing this in the face of structural affordances, barriers, and constraints.
The data that they have is more of in the qualitative form, is like who around them is employed, who around them has a degree in a certain career path that would lead to a certain type of job. So it's very peculiar to their own networks and their own circumstances. So, and they may hear from the news, right? Yesterday was a big Bloomberg report. College grads are missing out on this hot labor market. These are headlines that are very difficult to make sense if you don't really understand what's behind them. So I worry that if we don't talk about what the new dynamics of the labor market are, we're not giving people a chance to think about the job market in a more exploratory but also realistic way.
They need, in my opinion, 4 different things: access to labor market knowledge, differentiated career guidance and exploration, career guidance that extends into the classroom and is contextualized, and opportunities to cultivate their sociopolitical development.
I will bring the career center to the classrooms. I mean, that's for me where, again, asking students to go and seek for help, it's very difficult given their context, given the limited time, their circumstances, their roles and responsibilities. So having that information there, but also giving the opportunity to talk about what students bring to the classroom, their labor histories. What is it that you do? In combination to the Career Center is here to help you do X, Y, and Z. Let's see what they, instead of us assuming what they need, is like, let's go and get their experiences and then start from there. They want to reach a goal. They want to get a job. They want to have a career, a life. So I think that's the opportunity that we have with Guided Pathways. So we now talk a lot about equity. So I think Guided Pathways is trying to help us put those who are the least likely to reach their goals, to be successful, at the center of decision-making. That, I think, is for me the fundamental opportunity of Guided Pathways, that if these opportunities are taken seriously by the college, if they're taken with reflection, with depth, that they can arrive to a very amazing place in supporting students' career pathways.
And my last final idea is, I really want us to take a look back at classrooms as sites of hope, possibilities, and transformations. That's where your students are. They go, they show up to class, and it's beautiful to see them. Let's rethink how we spend time together with them, bringing who they are, having honest conversations, and yes, connecting it to content. It is possible, colleagues. We just have to be open and flexible to do pedagogy in a different way. Thank you, colleagues.